Po, bibigyan na namin kaagad kasi mamaya sigurado busy na to si Carla, ano? So, bibigyan na namin ngayon. Ito mula kay Happy Graduation from Sir Manuel Kayanan and Jomcar Fanati.
So, Carla, itong bouquet of flowers na galing sa Jomcar 18, meron silang graduation letter po for you. So, ang sabi na dito, yun. To our wonderful Carla, a big congrats on your graduation day. You have accomplished so much and should be more than proud. As your biggest cheerleaders, we are so honored to be standing by you today and celebrating all your hard work. You are full of so much potential and we are so proud. As you embark on this new chapter of your life, remember that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Keep striving for greatness. Keep adding to your goodness and beauty in the world. Keep developing those unique dreams and talents that make you who you are. Again, congratulations, and we are always proud of you no matter what. We always love you. Love from Jomcar 18 admins, VIP sponsors, members, and especially Jomar, syempre. Kay Tita Mamsi, Tita Jenny, Tita Jolly, Tita Jem, Ate Marlene, Tita Love Summerrain, Tito Bong, Tita Lori Lee, Tita Chubby of Australia, Tita Kat, Tita Mylene, Christine, Nympha, Veronica family, and Marido Padayon. Okay. Thank you so much po.
Thank you po, Team Jomcar 18.
Tapos yun, ito Carla, actually, ako sana magsusunod. Ito, anong tawag dyan? Dan dan dan! Da-da-da-dan! So ito na, da-da-da, ito ba? Da-da-da! Da-da-da! Yun. Yes. May condition na siya. Da-da-dan! 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 Da-da-da-dan! Da-da-dan! 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 Congratulations! Picture tayo bro!
You are the sun, a gift of life. You are the moon.
Tara, Carla, tara mo bro. Let's go, let's go!